Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload project on GitHub repository. First, you must have your own GitHub account. So let's start and go to the browser and search for github.com on the search bar and log into your GitHub account. Once you're inside of your GitHub account, on the top right corner, tap on your icon and tap on your repository. Then here in your repository, you will see the new green button. And when you tap on it, it will create a new repository. So let's tap on it. And now here, you are going to fill out the repository name or the project name. Below of that is the description of your project. Input about your project. And then choose if you want to make it public or private. And check your README file. And after that, create the repository. Now to upload a project on GitHub. Inside of one of your repository, you will see the Add File button here in the top. Now tap on it and select Upload Files. Now here you can drag files or just choose files from your computer. So let's tap the Choose Files button. Now for example, let's select this one. Let's just say for example that this is a project file. So once added, click the Commit Changes button. And now you already added project on your GitHub account. And that's it. That's how to add project on GitHub. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.